Keeping the party going with debt. In the previous example, the bank had created a situation where the middle class owed $110 in debt. But there is only $100 in the whole tiny world, meaning we get an economic bust. The people of this world are left to fight it out amongst themselves to see who goes bankrupt. As a result of their bankruptcy, the bank will take all their money and assets. This bankruptcy does move wealth up to the rich, but it doesn't create the missing money needed to fix the economy. Unless something is done to find this missing money, the economy will keep snowballing. The most vulnerable will go broke first, then the workers, then the middle class, and even the bank itself is in danger of collapse because there isn't enough money in the whole tiny world to balance the books. The bank is normally the first place people go when they have money troubles. To find the money they need to make their interest payments, the people of this tiny world are forced into returning to the bank so as to take out an even bigger loan. Except the bank has already lent out all the money in the whole tiny world, threatened with economic meltdown. The government of this tiny world is forced into letting the bank bend the rules and loan out more money than it has on deposit. And this is how we fix the problem in America today. To fill the void in the nation's accounts, we borrow more money. We let the bank create $10 of illusionary money, so it can loan out enough money to fill the void. It's illusionary money, since this money only ever existed in the bank's ledgers and computer screens, because there are still only $100 in the whole tiny world. To make matters worse, because banks charge interest every year, the problem gets worse every year. We have to pay interest on the interest. What was once only $10 of interest money that needed to be found soon becomes $21 the following year, then $33 and then $46 and so on and so on. It's important to remember this band-aid solution doesn't stop the vacuum effect, but instead allows it to continue unabated. For example, at the end of the first year, combined, the people of the tiny world owe the bank $110. But because there is only $100 in the whole tiny world, they are forced into borrowing an additional $10 to make their interest payments. $10 further into debt is the transfer of $10 from the many up to the wealthy. Yippee! And the bank, which makes a nice profit. Because the bank keeps charging interest on top of interest, every year the suction increases, meaning the transfer of wealth accelerates. Help us change the system. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Please visit us at fairvaluesystem.com. With a little help from you, we can solve nearly all the problems in the world.